To the other gender, don't start your relationship with Pidgin. No. Imagine you walk up to a lady and be like, how for you? That's not romantic. It's not like, no. No, you need to be like, put up your best performer. Even if English grammar is not your thing, try, borrow it, go, manage. Check that girl, not with Pidgin. Don't make the girl to be looking at you like, this guy is poor in speech. This guy is so poor in speech. No. So try your best. Don't chat a lady with Pidgin. It's not good. It's not romantic.